Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny Margate, Florida. And today we're going to do some more videos on this Jeep Wrangler JL. We've been doing a lot of products for it. We've done the wheels, we've done the tires, done a few other things, and we're going to go over some of the things right now. By the way, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. So that being said, come on over here. You know, now the last video we did the wheels, the tires, the lift. Now this video we're going to show you two things. We're going to show you the DZ rack for the roof with the OVS, Overland Vehicle Systems canopy. So go ahead, Joel, see if you can come up here a little higher so you can see how it is up there. So now if you notice, there's two parts to this. Now a lot of times when you get these type of racks, it's just for the back. This one actually had them for the front as well. So if you really need that extra space, that's great to have. If I like this can be, again, you can still remove the front here. Of course, this will have to come off with it. Now, if you notice, there's no drilling into the roof. It's going right into the top here. So with a clamp system, so there's no holes being put on there, so it can be removed without any problem. Also, if you notice, there's a T-slot here, and there's a T-slot here. Now, if you notice, there's one single hook here. Now, I'm going to show you what that's for. So let's swing around here, and let's take a look. What else do we have on here? Well, we put on here, this is called the OVS, Overland Vehicle Systems canopy. And this one is basically going to cover the side and the rear. They do make it where it goes all the way around, but we probably might be putting a tent on this, so we want to leave one side available for that. So I have this on my personal truck. I like this product. I think it's great, actually. When I go camping, first thing I do is I open this up, and you'll notice one thing as I go along here, how quickly. Now, if you notice here, I left a little bungee cord in here, and remember that little hook I showed you a second ago? You see what the whole thing is. So we're going to go ahead and bring us around here. All right, so that's why I put this little hook in here. Just put that in there. Now, you can leave it like this. On a day like today where it's not very windy, you can leave it like this. But if you got a little bit of wind, you know, you can add the support system here. So let's go ahead. There you go. So this, now you say, oh, it's too short. Well, not really. There you go. Now, what's nice about these, since they're adjustable, like for example, right now we have two different heights here. We have a lower height and a higher height. It will adjust to the height that you got here. So let's go ahead and like I said, when I take my truck to the car shows, and first thing I do is open this up. There we go. I put my little chair down here. Yes. Okay, there we go. Now, if you notice here, I can still open this up. Of course, I locked it, but basically it would swing right about here and sits right outside this canopy, so you can really access the back of the vehicle here. This is a great setup. I really like this. It's easy. There's another support system here, by the way. I guess for the video, I'll go ahead and open this one up too. I'll tell you, when the Velcro is brand new, it's a pain to open up. Like, I'm so used to mine, which is nice and easy now. So here. All right, there you go. Yeah, I'm not gonna, there is one over here as well. So I can set that one down as well. But for the video, I'm just doing this one. Again, you can adjust them different heights. If you notice it's a little higher, a little lower, it's no big deal. I can adjust it to where, but I like these. Very, very easy. That's it. There you go. A little higher there. And then what's nice is you can still put your tent up here. So if you want to put a tent up there, or any other stuff you would put up on top, you want to put your kayak up there, you have access to all this, because this is going on the side here, and it works so good. I mean, it really is a great setup here. Florida, it's hot. Like I said, when I go camping, before I do anything, I open up the canopy, because now I'm unloading my truck. I'm not in the hot sun. I'm shaded. It's very, very comfortable. Great product. I like this whole lot. Again, you just kind of lift these up, slide them up. Of course, you do this a few times, you get even better at it. Let's see. This comes right up here. You got that little Velcro that was giving me a hard time earlier. I tell you, this customer here, we're doing a lot of stuff for their Jeep. It's a husband and wife. They like to take the Jeep off-roading. I mean, again, what's Jeep for? Well, it's their Overland, the original Overland vehicle. And with the lift, the wheels, the tires, I mean, all the other things, the racks and stuff. Of course, we even put on electric boards, which I'll do a separate video for that. It is a perfect setup for what they're planning to do. Now, we're only about 70% done of the things we're going to be doing on this. So, but I will be making videos as we go, and then I might make a final video of everything. Then when you get in here, you're basically going to kind of take this little here, just roll it all the way up. Goes, and you can see this is going to go over the whole thing. Now there is a little strap hanging down here. I'm going to go ahead. And now this Jeep is just a little on the tall side since we lifted it, but it's still not too bad. As you can see, you know, I'm 6 foot. I can get in here. If you're vertically challenged, it could be a headache. So, but it's still not too bad. There's a zipper on both ends, so I'll make it go right in the middle there. And let's say, which is, there we go. Then we'll go ahead right here. And there we are. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, doing a review of the DZ racks with the Overland vehicle system canopy on a Jeep, I was going to say glider, Wrangler JL 4-door. Oh, before I go, like and subscribe. Thank you.